We out here, probably most beautiful day of the year so far in Finland. Window in the rocks, enjoying. It's a beautiful day. To eat another raw chicken, day 20. It's a bit more public place. Maybe somebody will see me. That would be funny. Another good day in my simulation. Or whatever the fuck this is. A lot of people out today. Everybody seems pretty happy. Mood is on fire. We don't get this kind of days often in Finland. Some years maybe 10 to 15 only. This is the warmest day so far. And some people say sun is bad for you. They say sun is dangerous. Why is everybody out then today? In the day like this, almost 30 degrees Celsius. Everybody's out having a good time. Mood is great. Happy. Compared to the usual. Yeah, I don't know about that. Why did them ancient civilizations, many of them, praise the sun? It was their god. The life force, bringing the life. Some people say Jesus is sun. Jesus' birthday is a winter solstice. That's kind of funny coincidence. Day of resurrection, I think that's spring equinox. There are a lot of other things also in that rabbit hole. But we know for sure many of the ancient people and civilizations, they really like the sun. And no wonder. Sun brings the best out of you for some people. Jet skis. Some raw cheese. I think the main reason people are afraid of the sun these days is because of bad diets. When you eat Cheetos and a lot of other crappy food, you get burned inside out. I have been outside a lot this year, and it has been maybe a bit more sun than usual in Finland, at least in May. And zero signs of burning yet. I got pretty good skin for sun, always have. But I did burn sometimes in my youth. And I would say I've been more in the sun this year than maybe ever before. And like completely zero signs of sunburn or sun sickness. I don't know what it's called in English. But when you are in the sun a lot, you get kind of sick, nauseous, headache, that kind of stuff. I used to get that when I was children, probably because I lack seed. Or raw chicken. When you eat raw chicken, raw meat, saturated fat, and not seed oils. The sun is your friend, my guy. Like I haven't had any negative effects yet. Just makes you feel fantastic. That's pretty funny. Raw chicken in public. Sun causes cancer though, some people say. I think that's the sun lotions, sunscreens. They're full of toxic chemicals that get absorbed through your skin when you use them. Clean diet, good diet, eating the right foods, saturated fat, and genetics also play a part. Some people are pale. I don't think they can be at the sun, at least straight away, so much. Like with other things, you gotta think for yourself, be smart, know yourself. It's not that hard. You feel it when you get burnt. Anyway, 20 days, raw chicken. Great day to celebrate that. More people here. It's a good day. See ya.